Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a fast motion video in CapCut. So to create a fast motion video, you can just basically speed up or make the speed of the clips bigger. So what you need to do is just click on the clip and then go to speed. Here click normal and swipe the speed to the right to make it more faster. So you can just choose, I'm going to go with 3 times faster. So from 13 seconds the video will become only 4.3 seconds. So let's see the result. It will become like this. And if you want to make it faster, you can just swipe it to the right again. You can see it will become faster like this. Then just click on the check icon. And that's basically it. I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like this video and comment. Bye.